hindi lahat. Guys, we can still fix this. Guys, konti lang yan. Konti lang. Wait lang, wag mo naman. Doon lang. Tuma na to.
Guys, let's start again.
Let's start again.
Po, napapagod po, pero hindi pa rin po mag-give up.
Alam ko na hininig tayo lahat, pero ito na yung last task natin. Kaya gagawin natin lahat.
We've never given up before, so why start now?
Yeah.
At the very end.
Patuloy po namin binubuo po yung tore and then nag-isip po kami ng mga pwedeng gawing defense po namin.
Edward, I
Banig.
think kumot, banig. Tayo kasi dito lang gagaling yung mga mabibigat na bola.
But guys,
Lagay na natin yun. Edward. Look, Edward.
Oh,
Sa
sa
taas.
ganyan ka, oh. Kahit 2 tao, mapoprotektahan yan. Oh, kahit 3 nga, oh.
And then we'll hold it like that.
Oh, ganyan.
Right now, we're just sort of experimenting, you know, trying to do the best that we can. No, I keep on hearing things, man, I swear.
Pero nang sandaling pumasok sa loob ng bahay ang girls,
No, up. Girls! Get set! My! No, I saw Lex. Let's go! Girls, come here now! Let's go!
Have to be sure.
May narinig kami, Tim, I
Nag-open,
promise.
ang door.
Guys, watch out.
Meron yung? Meron?
So paranoid. We're on edge 24/7 now.
Timing. Timing.
hanggang sinabayan ito ng muling pagpasok ng mga ninja.
Go! Stand up!
On my 12. Bola yan, bola.
Nasa gitna na naman kami at half na lang para matapos na namin. Mayroon na naman mga ninja.
Let's go! Wait! Mission over you! Doors! Next!
May tao doon sa roof, may tao dito dyan sa baba. Mga malalaking bola.
Hi mga kapamilya! Be updated with the Pinoy Big Brother housemates by clicking the subscribe button and watch all the latest videos by clicking the I button above.